Hello, what is your name and how old are you?
Hello, my name is Jonathan Valencia. I am 26 years old. What is your name and what old are you?
My name is Daniel Jimenez and I am 21 years old. Where do you do live and what do you do?
I live in Florida Valle and I work as a personal training. What do
Oh.
you like and what do you do?
I live in Jamón de Valle and work as a gym instructor.
Do you have siblings?
No, I don't have siblings. Do you have siblings?
Yes, I am. I have those. I have two older brothers.
Oh, where do you work?
I work in Florida Valle. What do you work?
I work on Bordo Cauca.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is hamburgers. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken rice.
Oh,
What is your daily activity to do or practice?
what I like to do the most is train and spend time with my mother. What is the daily activity that you like to do or practice the most?
What it I like to do the most is work on my bootings and training.
Oh, what is your kind of music that you like the most?
My favorite music is here it's salsa. What is your
Oh,
favorite of music?
my favorite music is the salsa genre. What is the place you would like to visit on your vacations?
My favorite place is the beach. What is the place you would like to visit on your vacations?
My favorite place were the Medellin. Bye, Jonathan.
Bye, Daniel.